As the night deepens over New York in March 1888, a quiet snowfall begins. But within hours, the storm grows into something relentless. Winds howl at more than 70 kilometers per hour. Snow falls without mercy, burying streets, railways, and entire neighborhoods. Telegraph lines snap, communication collapses. The city is cut off from the world. Snowdrifts rise as high as buildings. Horse-drawn carriages vanish beneath the white surge. Families wait in candlelit rooms, listening to the storm rage outside. For 4 days, winter tightens its grip. When the skies finally clear, over 400 people have lost their lives. The Great Blizzard of 1888 leaves behind more than snow. It changes how cities prepare for disaster, forcing New York to build underground transit systems and stronger infrastructure. And beneath the silent winter sky, the memory of that storm still drifts through history.